Hi, I'm Dr. Isabel Souza. I've been working in the translation and interpreting field for over 35 years as a translator, interpreter lecturer, and researcher. And I'm here to talk to you about my latest publication, a book entitled Intercultural Mediation in Healthcare. It's the first book in English on this topic. Often the title Intercultural Mediation gets confused with conflict mediation, but in healthcare, intercultural mediation is all about providing culturally and linguistically appropriate services. So this book came about because of my doctoral research. I did a 5-year study of professional medical interpreters working in 25 countries. I had the privilege of having 458 participants, and the topic of this study was the cultural work of medical interpreters. Most of the research is on the linguistic side, and I wanted to touch on something different. So interpreters basically told me whether they should address cultural issues, how they address cultural issues, and also the situations they face, and also the challenges and the advantages of addressing cultural issues and how that affects their healthcare needs. To me, the most important part of the book is that it gives interpreters a voice. As interpreters, we typically interpret for providers and patients and others, and our voice is usually very much in the background. But in this book, the interpreter's voice is at the forefront, because I really believe that interpreters are ultimately the experts of their practice. So the book picture here is myself working with other nurses. This was for medical missions, a team of 20 where I was one of 4 certified medical interpreters. And here I'm working with the nurses, interpreting for them in a surgical setting. And I wanted to show a picture that really portrays the interpreter as part of the team, and also working in not your typical scenarios where the interpreter is working with a patient and a provider. And you can get this book basically in any major bookseller, Amazon or Barnes & Noble. Just search for Intercultural Mediation in Healthcare. And thank you for watching.